am Elshika. Welcome back to Samat Media. I hope that all are doing good. June 19 is the International Sweet Father's Day. Because of this, I am going to paint a beautiful painting. I am using canvas paper for this painting. I did many paintings on canvas paper for beginners. I am using the brushes, flat brush, round brush and linear brush. I am using acrylic colors are ultramarine blue, cadmium red, brown, lemon yellow, yellow orchid and black. The first step, I am adding ultramarine blue top and bottom of the canvas paper. Next, adding one by one cadmium red and lemon yellow to blend the colors together. Here I am using flat brush for the blending. After finishing the background, next step we are going to make a tree effect. Here I am using round brush and picking some brown and black and making the tree effect. I want to share few things about father. Father is the greatest person and first hero of every child. Here I am requesting to my lovable viewers on this Father's Day. You write something which you want to convey and appreciating about your father to write and present him, make him happy to take care and respect him till his last day. I'm so happy to make this painting regarding Father's Day. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in you as painting. Use your imaginations to achieve the picture what you want. Sometime you may not achieve the painting what's your picture, but don't worry, keep on trying your painting. Sure you can achieve it. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.